So the concept behind these bakes is that I wanted to give out recipes na madaling gawin, masarap, and most of all, healthy para sa atin. When I say healthy, I mean it's sugar-free. Like the keto brownies, I made it with a twist. I added cream cheese just to cut the sweetness that we usually have in our regular brownies. For the donuts, I made it a little fancier by using a pan that has grooves in them. But again, you can use your regular donut pans. This is baked. It is gluten-free. So for those with allergies, you can actually eat this because it's made up of coconut flour and not the usual almond flour. I added 2 kinds of glazes in it. Pwede kayong mamili if you like chocolates. We have the chocolate glaze. And if you want the usual just plain glaze, I made it again extra by using a maple flavoring. So pag binake nyo yun, sa smell pa lang, very enticing na siya. And last but not the least, you have the keto muffins. This is a quick breakfast that you can provide for your family. I added the berries, which are the strawberries and the blueberries, para naman meron tayong healthy fiber that we can put into our bodies. Again, these are all easy to bake. The ingredients you can find in your favorite online stores, or there are also specialty shops that sell them. If you've taken my class before, I am sure meron na kayo nitong mga ingredients na to. But again, the ingredients are very easy to find, and the best is that it's easy to bake. All of these Easy-Bake Bestsellers are guilt-free and sugar-free. And again, bentable siya. When we say bentable, it's very presentable to your clients. It is easy to make and the ingredients aren't very expensive. For the donuts, you can put whatever toppings you want as long as it's sugar-free. In this case, I used a few nuts and gold leaf. I also used keto chocolates as the toppings. For the muffins, you can even turn this into a chocolate muffin. Just use keto chocolates. And that's it. Just replace the berries with the chocolates. So it's very easy to do and fun as well. And the best of all, hindi siya kakain ng oras nyo because it's easy to bake. Fast and easy. That's the goal. So you can sell more with these keto baked goods. So I hope you join me in this Keto Easy-Bake Bestsellers only here at the Bailiwick Academy.